What if I told you that you can buy property for $500 in Alabama? If you are new here, I am the Pretty Girl Investor. I teach all things real estate, and welcome back to my channel. Before we jump into this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and turn your notifications on to get the latest tips, resources, and strategies that actually work. In today's video, we're going to head over to Alabama's Department of Revenue to check out these properties. So Alabama is a tax lien state, but it transfers to a tax deed state under certain circumstances. When property taxes go unpaid, Alabama first sells a tax lien certificate at the auction. The property owner then has 3 years to pay back their property taxes, interest, and any fees. If the property owner does not redeem their property within 3 years, the lien holder has an opportunity to apply for a tax deed to gain ownership. And if no one buys the tax lien at the auction, it goes to the state of Alabama, where it can be purchased directly from the state as a tax deed sale. At Alabama's Department of Revenue's website, it is www.revenue.alabama.gov. So once you get here, it's going to look a little overwhelming. You could go to services, but they've changed a lot of things around. So the best thing for you to do that I would recommend is type in tax delinquent properties. So once you type in tax delinquent, you're going to see a link that says tax delinquent property and land sales. Click on that link. It is then going to bring you to search tax delinquent properties. Once we get here, we can search county. If you already have a parcel number, you can enter it here, or a CS number, you can enter it here, or if you know the owner's name, you can also enter it here. But I'm just going to go by county, and we're going to do Birmingham. So when we scroll down, it is going to show us the CS number, the county code, the document number, parcel ID, the year sold, assessed value, amount bid at the tax sale, the owner's name, and the legal description. So we're going to start with the CS number, okay? This number is like the account number. So we're going to click on that, and it's going to pull up information about this property, including all of the things that it already showed us, the parcel number, the description. The application process is very, very simple. All you do is enter your email address, your name, re-enter your email address, your address, your telephone number. Make sure you're not a robot, and then submit. Before we do that, though, I want to pay attention to the year sold. That's very important. So it looks like it was all sold in the 2000s. Also, the assessed value. What is the property currently worth? So if the amount bid at the tax sale, this is what they owe, $80.82. You know that the assessed value is $520. So you and this other person bid on this property. They bid a little higher for the property, but you want to keep it at $80.82. Well, we know that this property is only worth $520. So I do not recommend you going over that amount, if that makes sense. So here we have a lot that is currently set for the bid price of $423, but it's worth $5,000 and some change. So I would bid on this because it's actually worth a couple $1,000s. So anything, just my preference, anything below $5,000, I probably wouldn't bid on. But something like this, you know, that's starting bid at $443 and the value is $5,000 and up, I would bid on this because I know that I'm going to be buying something. I know that it's actually worth something, and I'm not just buying stuff just to buy stuff. But right here, you see that most of these properties over here are lots. They are vacant lots. So what you want to do is make sure that you are doing your due diligence before you're purchasing these properties. So before you even submit your application, now this application is going to take a few months for them to get back to you. But if you are interested, you are going to get that email, but it may be a couple months after you have already submitted this application. This is just a simple way to purchase property in Alabama under $500. Now, if you want to, you can find properties that, you know, are more than that, but, you know, that's your preference. And if you learned something in this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and turn your notifications on to get the latest tips, resources, and strategies that actually work. I'll see you in my next video.